The kitchen is often considered the most important room in a house, so making sure you have the right gear can make all the difference. And so if your sink belongs in a 1950s movie, it may be time for an upgrade. That's why in this video, I've pulled together a list of the 6 best kitchen sinks that'll make cooking and cleaning feel less like a chore, and maybe even a little fun. You'll find links to the best prices for all the kitchen sinks mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these kitchen sinks aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Kraus Standard Pro. This is the best undermount sink on our list. This sink is made from thick 16-gauge stainless steel, which means it doesn't dent easily and won't rust even after years of use. The quality feels solid the second you touch it. Size-wise, it's 32 inches long and 10 inches deep, so even if you're trying to clean one of those oversized soup pots or baking trays, you won't splash water everywhere. It swallows up whatever you toss in. Now, what makes it more convenient is the undermount design. That means it sits flush with your countertop so you can wipe crumbs or water straight in. No edges for stuff to get stuck on. And this makes cleanup a breeze. It also has gently rounded corners and a sloped bottom with grooves, so water drains instead of pooling in weird spots. Plus, it comes with a bunch of extras. A bottom grid to protect the surface, a drain assembly, mounting hardware, and even a Kraus kitchen towel. All included, and here's what Axel says. This sink is the best sink I have ever owned. Well made, insulated for noise, and comes with all of the parts needed for a complete installation. The best money I ever spent on such a seemingly simple item. If you grab through my link, it goes for under $350, and that's a steal. And a limited lifetime warranty backs it, so you know Kraus isn't messing around. Overall, if you want a sleek, strong, and functional sink, this one hits all the marks. Number 5 is the Syncology Longue Farmhouse Sink. This is the best copper sink on our list. Now, it's not only a sink, it's more like a centerpiece. That hand-hammered antique copper look makes your kitchen feel warm and unique. It's made from solid 17-gauge copper, so it's not only pretty, it's built to last. Now, it's a 32-inch apron front with a wide single bowl. That means you'll have space to rinse big pans or soak a pile of dishes without running out of room. But the bowl is also designed to be shallow on purpose. It's easier on your back and doesn't eat up as much space under the cabinet. It also comes with sound dampening pads underneath, so it won't sound like you're dropping dishes into a metal drum, and they include a copper care kit to help you keep that finish looking clean and aged in a good way. If you're into details, this sink also pairs well with Syncology's matching drain and disposal flanges, which are sold separately in case you want everything to blend together. For a handcrafted copper farmhouse sink with a lifetime warranty, that feels great. Overall, if you want something bold, durable, and timeless, the Lange might be the one you build your whole kitchen around. Number 4 is the Ruvati Granite Composite Kitchen Sink. This is the best drop-in sink on our list. This sink is made in Italy from 80% real crushed granite, which makes it strong enough to handle boiling water, hot pans, and even rough scrubbing. The heat resistance on this sink is up to 536 degrees. That's not just kitchen tough, that's real-life tough. The size is 33 by 22 inches, so it'll fit into most existing sink cutouts without any problem. It's a single bowl, but it's spacious. You'll have 9 inches of depth, so you're not splashing everywhere when rinsing big stuff. And the slope bottom design is smart. Everything flows toward the drain without you chasing food bits around. The drain is set off to the right side, which frees up some space underneath the sink. It comes with a matching black basket strainer to keep it all looking clean and consistent. Now, there's one faucet hole already drilled, but if you want to add a soap dispenser or a different setup, there are 3 more partially drilled holes you can pop through. Overall, if you want drop-in convenience with solid performance and clean modern looks, this one's a really solid pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the kitchen sinks discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Blanco Precis Equal Kitchen Sink. This is the best double bowl sink on our list. If you like to keep clean and dirty dishes separate or want more room to work, this one's for you. This kitchen sink is made from 80% solid granite and uses Blanco's Sil granite material, which feels like stone, but without the hassle of real stone upkeep. It's smooth, strong, and low maintenance. Both bowls are equal in size and 8 inches deep. Whether you're soaking pots on one side or stacking dishes on the other, you'll have plenty of space to move around. It also fits a standard 33-inch cabinet, so you probably won't need to redo your whole kitchen, only to install it. Now, one thing that stands out to me is how easy it is to keep clean. The surface is designed to resist stains, scratches, and even heat. Plus, it's non-porous, so you're not dealing with grime sinking into tiny crevices. Blanco holds 7 patents for this sink to maintain, which is pretty wild. It usually goes for $600, depending on color and where you grab it from. But with the durability and the limited lifetime warranty, it's a solid long-term material. Overall, if you want a sink that feels high-end but still makes day-to-day kitchen stuff simple, the Blanco Precis pulls its weight. Number 2 is the Ruvati Dual-Tier Workstation Kitchen Sink. This is the largest sink option on our list. Now, this one is more like a full kitchen setup built right into your counter. It's 45 inches wide and made from heavy-duty stainless steel. But what makes it stand out is the 2-tier track system. That lets you slide all kinds of accessories in and out: cutting boards, colanders, drying racks, even a 3-bowl condiment tray, all without taking up any extra counter space. You can prep, rinse, chop, and serve all right over the sink. It even comes with a foldable drying rack, a wooden platform with a mixing bowl and grater attachments, and a reversible cutting board that has a flat side and a tray side. Everything is designed to slide and stack where you need it. The slope bottom helps water drain fast, and it has an offset drain that gives you more room underneath. Plus, it's sound insulated, so you're not getting that loud metal clank every time you drop a spoon, as Stephanie wrote in a review. Love this sink. It's large, deep enough, and beautiful. I love that dishes don't pile up on the counter like they do with a small or divided sink. Any dish I have fits in this thing. Love that. I thought the sharp corners would make it hard to clean, but that's not an issue. If I leave a can in it overnight, it rusts just like any steel sink will, but it buffs out easier than other sinks I've used. Overall, if you cook a lot or just like staying organized while you do, this setup makes it really easy to keep everything flowing and looking clean at the same time. Number 1 is the Kohler Task Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink. This is the best overall kitchen sink on our list. Now, if you're into clean setups that actually make kitchen work easier, this one's hard to beat. It's a full workstation sink, so you're not just getting a place to wash dishes, you're getting tools built right in. It comes with a bamboo cutting board, a 2-piece colander set, a silicone mat, and even a drain and strainer. And everything stacks, slides, or nests right inside the sink. The bowl itself is pretty roomy, 9 inches deep with tight corners, which gives you more space without making it bulky. Great if you're dealing with large pots or just want extra elbow room. It's made from 18-gauge stainless steel, so it looks clean and modern, but also resists rust and wear over time. Plus, you can install it either as a top mount or under mount, depending on your setup. It fits standard 36-inch base cabinets, and all the hardware is included, so install's not a headache. Overall, if you want something that looks sharp, holds up long-term, and makes kitchen life easier, the Kohler Task really does the job. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect kitchen sink. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each kitchen sink. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.